This small little device can convert your car's entertainment system into a fully working Samsung DEX. So this is Auto Pro X. It comes in this nice looking box with the X logo at the front. Inside the box we have this Auto Pro X, which is a small circular disc. By the way, it is also not heavy at all. Then we have few cables like USB Type A to Type C, and USB Type C to Type C is also there, depending on which one supports your car. So both of the cables are present right here inside the box. Their website link is down in description. You can check out if your car is on the supported list or not. I think if you have a car with working Android Auto and a Samsung Galaxy phone, then this should definitely work. The connection process is pretty simple with Auto Pro X. Just take the USB cable and insert it into your car's Android Auto port like this. And you can also hide this Auto Pro X in an easy way because it takes some little space. The rest of the process is just wireless. Once you have connected, your car should show Android Auto or Auto Pro X. If this not shows up, make sure you tap on Android Auto option on your car and Auto Pro X menu should be there. Now unlock your Galaxy phone and swipe down on Quick Settings panel. Swipe left and you will see Samsung DEX right here. Just tap it and after scanning, it will show Auto Pro X. Tap on Start now and wait for some time. So that's it. That's basically it. There's a small light near the USB port on Auto Pro X that should turn green when Samsung DEX shows up on your car's display. So that's how easy it is to use Samsung DEX on your car's entertainment system. Your phone is connected wirelessly, so that makes this whole setup clean and it works really well. You can use YouTube, you can play any kind of media here. There is no as such lag. If you have a newer model car, then this should work even better. Also you can do multitasking here, like YouTube will continue to work in the background and you can check out other apps from the menu. Menu has almost every app that is there on your Galaxy phone. You can check out your Samsung Notes like this. You can draw, write or do anything that you can do on your Galaxy phone. Quick Settings panel work here too. Recent apps stay there in the background, and if I'm checking out a video, I can use the calculator app. You can even watch Netflix on this Samsung DEX, plus web browsing is also an option if you want to give it a try. Auto Pro X supports Samsung's built-in trackpad. For that, on your Galaxy phone, swipe down on Quick Settings panel and now choose this option that says Use Trackpad. Now I'm using my Galaxy phone as a trackpad. Use one finger to use the mouse option and use two fingers to swipe up and down on any page. So that was all about Auto Pro X. Once again, its link will be down in description. Don't forget to check it out. This product is discounted for a limited time. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.